I signed up for course Word 110 because it is a required course to complete the UK Core Composition and Communication one. First, when I signed up for this course, I thought everything will be just related to writing. But it didn't turn that way because we had to do a speech, a podcast, and create a blog, which was really surprising. Before taking this course, I had some difficulties. For example, I had some difficulties with grammar. I had some issues writing a title for C1 choice essay and C2 analysis essay, and I had problems to finish writing an essay. My classmates helped me a lot to write my title, and they always supported me with my own title. They made me confident in writing a title. About the grammar issues, I think I am better now because after writing the first essay, my instructor sent me a comment about my grammar, and since then I tried to read a lot of books. Also, I went to the writing center and I learned a few tips there. So I feel that my grammar is better than before. I struggled in the first essay because I didn't know how to end my essay. And with my classmates' discussions, I learned that I just need to summarize the key ideas of the essay. Some of my strengths, I think when I started to write the essay, the choice essay, I included a narrative hook in the second paragraph after the epigraph that shows my reaction after I have made the choice. Then after the narrative hook, I started to say how I have selected my choice and what I am struggling of. I did this because I believe in not stating the choice immediately, and I think starting in the middle of the story then going back to narrate what happened in the first place is an effective way to attract the reader and make the reader interested in the rest of the essay. Writing the analysis essay was completely different from writing the choice essay. In my first essay, I relied on my memory and I was narrating a story. However, in the C2 essay, I had to do a lot of work before I wrote the essay. I went to the restaurant few times before writing the essay, and I communicated a myriad of people there. So when people read my essay, they feel my essay is credible. I learned to go to the writing center, and I didn't once, and in this course while I was writing the C2 essay, the writing center did a great job correcting my mistakes. I wrote some essays in English before, but I didn't know how to do a research correctly. I think I developed the way of doing a research because I did a lot of researches for this class. I learned that you have to do a lot of researches even though if you don't use all of them. But you have to do it to make your paper accurate. And this is one of the things that I developed myself in. I think I have a weakness in writing an essay that only focuses in one thing. I think when I write an essay, I cannot narrow it down to one topic, but I am working to make myself better in this aspect. Overall, I enjoyed this course. I enjoyed the different types of homeworks because I learned a lot of them. I developed a lot. I developed a lot in how I think because now I can see the differences between how I used to do the assignments and how I do them now.